Hi, this is Najir Hassan. Now we are going to learn thinking about text from class 10th CBSE English first flight. So let's start. A letter to God. Thinking about the text. First question is, who does Lencho have complete faith in? What sentences in the story tell you this? Lencho has complete faith in God. The following sentences in the story tell us about his complete faith in God. First one, there was a single hope, help from God. He wrote to God on the envelope. What faith? I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. That also shows God could not have made a mistake. Next question. Why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? Why does he sign the letter God? Postmaster was a good man. He decided to answer Lencho's letter. He did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God. Therefore, he sent money to him. He signed the letter as God because he had written the letter on the behalf of God. He did so in order not to shake Lencho's faith in God. Third number question. Did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why? Why not? No. Lencho did not try to find out who had sent the money to him because he had firm faith in God. He had no doubt that anybody other than God would send money. He believed that God could never deny his demand. Who does Lencho think has taken the rest of money? What is the irony in situation? Here, remember that the irony of a situation is an unexpected aspect of it. An ironic situation is strange of amusing because it is the opposite of what is expected. Lencho thinks that the post office employees have taken the rest of the money which God had sent to him. Actually, post office employees have sent money to Lencho. The irony is that Lencho calls them as a bunch of crooks who have helped Lencho. Fifth number question. Are there people like Lencho in the real world? What kind of person would you say he is? You may select appropriate words from box to answer the question. In box, some words are here. If we need, then we can take words from there. No, we hardly find people like Lencho in the real world. Lencho is not a greedy man. He demands as much money as he needs. He is not selfish. He worries about his family. He is not stupid. Post office employees laugh to see his letter to God. However, he is not comical character. He has unquestioning faith in God. 6. There are two kinds of conflict in this story between humans and nature and between humans themselves. How are these conflict illustrated? We see two conflicts in the story. The first conflict between human and nature comes before us. Lencho is waiting for rain that will benefit him, but the rain comes along with hailstones that destroy his crop completely. Thus, nature seems hard on him while he was grateful to it for rain. The second conflict we see between humans, Lencho and the post office employees. And the master actually helps him. But contrary to the Lencho calls the employees of post office as a bunch of crook who have taken rest of the money. This shows the conflict between Lencho and post office employees. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video.